Corporate India has perfected the language of leadership. It speaks in pipelines, succession plans, governance frameworks, and long-term creation. Leadership is defined, structured, measured, and reviewed until it fits nearly into a model. And yet, beyond these frameworks, there exists a form of leadership that has never needed definition. It operates without designation, without a compensation committee, and without performance bonuses. Yet, it remains fully accountable for outcomes that shape not just quarters, but generations. Research shows that nearly 90% of child's brain develops by the age of 5. The foundation of decision-making, emotional resilience, and values is built long before any classroom, long before any corporate training program.
ಯಾವುದೇ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿಯ ಜೀವನದಲ್ಲಿನ ಅತ್ಯಂತ ಪ್ರಾರಂಭಿಕ ಮತ್ತು ಅತ್ಯಂತ ಮಹತ್ವದ ನಾಯಕತ್ವದ ಪ್ರಭಾವವು ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಗಳ ಹೊರಗಡೆಯೇ ಉಂಟಾಗುತ್ತದೆ.
Because the most enduring form of leadership does not come from policy. It comes from practice. It is the ability to navigate uncertainty without dashboards, to make decisions without complete information, and to balance immediate crisis with long-term impact. It is the mindset of a strategist who manages risks, builds culture, handles crisis, and executes silently, consistently, without pause. There are no upsides to recalibrate, no annual reports to show impact, no awards or rewards to acknowledge performance. There are only outcome, only responsibility, and unspoken expectation to show up every single day.
While the world sleeps, this leadership plans ahead. When everything fails, it quietly absorbs the shock. And when success arrives, it steps aside, letting the right people get credit for it. No announcements, no applause, just continuity. When we typically think of a great leader, we're thinking about vision, resilience, endurance, and empathy. But we're missing the most common example which has always existed. This is not seen in boardrooms, not seen in strategy decks, and it always existed in daily life.
This is leadership that is not taught but lived, not declared but demonstrated, not measured in metrics but felt in impact. And that is why she will make the difference. Not because of the position, not because of title, not because of recognition, but because she understands pressure, balance, recovery, and persistence at a level no framework can fully capture.
She leads without needing visibility, she builds without needing recognition, and she carries responsibility without ever putting it down. And we call her Mother.